Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Xiaomi phone setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys you want to remove your fingerprint lock in your Xiaomi phone. So guys, how can you remove it? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. As you want to remove, you want to delete your fingerprint lock in your Xiaomi phone. So guys, now let's see how to remove it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to remove it, and guys scroll. Guys, click on your password and security. Guys, click on your fingerprint. Guys, draw your pattern, and guys you can see guys which fingerprint guys you want to remove, like one fingerprint and second fingerprint. So I want to remove guys both of fingerprint, so I will click on this both fingerprint, and guys you can see remove fingerprint. So guys, click on your remove fingerprint. Yes, we want to remove it. So guys, your fingerprint will remove in your your Xiaomi phone guys, sorry. And guys, you cannot use your fingerprint in your Xiaomi phone. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys.